Let's find T ratio for 18 degree, sin 18 degree and cos 18 degree. Now, sin 18 degree. Now, let A is equal to 18 degree, multiplying both sides by 5. We are having 5A is equal to 90 degree. Now to 5A, let's break it. 2A plus 3A is equal to 90 degree. Then 2A is equal to 90 degree minus 3 times of angle A. Now multiplying both sides by sine. Sin 2A is equal to sine 90 degree minus 3A. Now this gives cos 3A. Now sin 2A is equal to cos 3A. Now let's use the formulas. Number 1, what we have used? Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. First thing we have used. Now for 2A and cos 3A. Now sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A, and cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, so we are going to evaluate these values now. Twice of sin A cos A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now, dividing both sides by cos A. Now, A is equal to 18 degree. Therefore, cos A is not equal to 0. So, because if cos A would have been 0, then we can't divide it by cos A. Okay. So, I have just mentioned this line that cos A is not equal to 0. Then only we can divide it. Now, after division, what we are getting? We are getting now 2 sin A is equal to 4 times cos square A negative of 3. Cos A is cancelled, 1 cos A. Now further this becomes twice of sin A is equal to 4 times 1 minus sin square A negative of 3. Twice of sin A is equal to 4 negative of 4 sin square A minus 3. Now this is equal to 4 sin square A, taking this to this side, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. So we are having 4 sin square A plus 2 sin A minus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation. Okay. So we are having now this as a quadratic equation. Now sin A is equal to negative of 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times negative of 1 upon 2 into 4. Okay. So this becomes now minus 2 plus minus under root 20 upon 8. Okay. So finally sin A is equal to, now we will be having this as negative of 2 plus minus 2 root 5 upon 8, or this is equal to negative of 2 plus 2 root 5, sorry, negative of 2 plus root 5. Now one more thing. Now, since sine 18 degree cannot be negative, because here we are having two values, plus minus, okay. So we are knowing that sine 18 degree is not negative because it is in the first quadrant. Hence, sine 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. One answer. Now we have got 18 degree for sine. Now let's find cos 18 degree. Now, number 2, cos 18 degree. Now, cos 18 degree is equal to 1 minus sine square 18 degree. Okay. So now this becomes square root for 1 minus, now sine 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 upon 4 whole square. Okay. So this becomes 1 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 upon 16. 16 minus, in the bracket, negative of 2 root 5 plus 6 upon 4. So this finally this becomes 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Now, cos 18 degree is equal to 10 plus, sorry, 10 plus 2 root 5 under the root 1 by 4. So we are having now sine 18 degree and cos 18 degree both. Okay. So this is also answer value.